In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept message requests on Discord. Message requests are how Discord keeps your inbox organized and a little safer. When someone who isn't already in your direct messages reaches out, maybe a new teammate, a classmate, or someone from a shared server, their note doesn't land in your main chats right away. It goes to a separate message request area so you can look it over first and decide what to do. First, open Discord. You can use the desktop app, the web version, or the mobile app. The flow is the same. Once Discord loads, head to Home in the top left corner. Home is the hub for your direct messages and friends list, and it's where Discord places requests for you to review. Inside Home, look for Message Requests. It sits with your other direct message conversations and may show a small number if there's something new waiting. Click Message Request to open that inbox. You'll see a list of people who have tried to contact you, along with a preview of what they sent. This view lets you quickly scan new messages without mixing them into your regular chats. Next, open the message you want to review. Clicking it shows the full request so you can read it in context. Take a moment to confirm you recognize the person or understand why they're reaching out. Maybe you share a server or a project. If anything looks unfamiliar or off, you can simply leave the request in this view without taking action. When you're ready to move the conversation into your normal DMs, click Accept. Accepting brings that chat into your main direct messages list and allows the sender to message you like any other contact going forward. From there, you can reply, share files, or continue the conversation just as you would with any friend or teammate. If the message includes links or attachments, make sure you trust the source before interacting with them. Message Requests is designed to give you that space to decide. On mobile, you'll find Home on the bottom bar, and the Message Requests section appears alongside your DMs. The process is identical. Open Home, tap Message Requests, open the conversation, then tap Accept. Requests won't notify you like normal DMs until you accept. That's it. Open Discord, go to Home, click Message Requests, open the message you want, and click Accept. With this quick process, you keep control of who reaches your inbox while staying available for the people you actually want to hear from. Thanks for watching and enjoy a tidier, safer Discord experience.